Obviously, drifting's not just as easy as people think. You can't just turn up and drive. You have to go to a race. So on to the pro qualifying. This is one of our overseas drivers all the way from Belgium. Yes, in the beautifully prepared yellow E36 pistol. Alright, in the meantime we've got our Belgian driver. Oh, look at this entry! Oh my God! Absolutely awesome entry there from driving 36. Brilliant going up the second turn as well. Foot to the floor, smoking up them tyres as he transitions round the final corner. Absolutely fantastic! Forgot in the gravel master. I know this gravel's going to need raking by the end of the day, but I'm just going to say nothing now. Look at that for an entry again. Exactly the same entry as this time. Hugging that clipping point all the way around turn on. You can't see where he is on the clipping point, but Greenside Judge can. But he is foot to the floor, smoking up them tyres as he enters the last corner again. Absolutely fantastic. Everybody's applauding.